We should have brought that brush, because I bet there's some up in this lid. Yeah, see?
So, pinch onto that.
You already got got.
No, drop.
Okay. Just try not to kill the bees.
I'm trying. There's a lot of them. It's kind of packed.
I bet this one here has the queen on it.
Yeah, it's covered in.
You're so chill, Jay.
Put it that close?
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
How do we get them all?
All the way.
You good?
Yeah, good.
Way to go, hero!
Did you want to do it again?
Have fun.
Maybe people carried her off.
I'm so excited.
My strap moved on my ear and I was about to flip.
Yeah.
Are you just gonna leave those in? Are you just gonna leave those like that? You just gonna leave them out like that, or are you gonna knock them in?
Hey, buddy.
Do you see the queen or anything in there?
Oh, that didn't work at all. She's probably not. She's probably on this one.
Yeah. I think I'm just gonna let them sort themselves out right there.
That's not working at all.
Okay, but it'd be a good idea if I put my arm on this one.
No, he's fine. He'll go away. So we want to put this back on here?
Yeah.
Video, so she's probably just on the frame. But that you can get them like we watched in that video.
Gotcha.
Alright, do it again.
Anybody else got stung? Just John.
Just John.
I'll start.
Alright, so them things, did you pull the nails out of?
Yes.
Alright.
You want to open it this time?
Sure.
Alright, y'all do that. I'm going to try to get some close up.
Okay.
We need a GoPro.
Be careful with that box, not gonna drop it.
Straight up.
They are really loud.
I feel like the smoke is making them angrier.
Wonder why.
Maybe we have bad smoke.
It's out again.
Do it again?
I said, is it out again?
No, I mean it's there.
Oh.
See?
That's all right.
But they're like louder.
Well, they're mad.
Just so y'all know, if I get stung, I'm probably going to say a bad word. For your video, you know.
Perfect.
We'll fix it in post. Oh.
I bet you she's on this one. Move. Move, I don't want to squish you. Get out from underneath the thing. You want to do this one?
They were trying to stuff together.
Just don't drop my bees.
In a week or so, you could come back out and see if you could find her.
Yeah. Well, that ain't fact.
Want to smoke you again?
No, they're not on.
You got the reducer in?
I don't have them. I have to cut
One more.
You want this one or look for?
I think he's on. Is it second? Look at that big one down there.
Don't fit in there good. Oh, shoot. Ooh, ain't right there, huh?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
What you gotta do?
Whatever you gotta do. No, please don't get stung.
So you wanted in that one? You didn't have it in the other one, did you?
I didn't have it on the other one. Think we should leave it off?
What is this? What's this little symbol? Oh, that's the. I thought you put that on there. I think it's.
Get stung too many times, your body can
Figures out, I think.
Yeah.
It's hot as dog on monkey bowls, though.
Standing on the moon, I got no cobweb on my shoe. Standing on the moon, I'm feeling so alone and blue. I see the Gulf of Mexico, as tiny as a tear. The coast of California must be somewhere over here, over here. Standing on the moon, I see the battle rage below. Standing on the moon, I see the soldiers come and go. There's a metal flame beside me, someone planted long ago. Oh, glory, standing stiffly, crimson, white, and indigo. Oh, glory, standing stiffly, crimson, white, and indigo. Indigo. I see all of Southeast Asia, I can see El Salvador. I hear the cries of children and the other songs of war. It's like a mighty melody that rings down from the sky. Standing here upon the moon, I watch it all roll by, all roll by, all roll by, all roll by. Standing on the moon, I see a shadow on the sun. Standing on the moon, the stars go fading one by one. I hear a cry of victory, another of defeat. A scrap of age-old lullaby down some forgotten street. Standing on the moon, where talk is cheap and vision true. Standing on the moon, but I would rather be with you. Somewhere in San Francisco, on a back porch in July, just looking up at heaven, at this crescent in the sky, in the sky.